We're in the heavens right now.
If we die right now, no one will ever find us.
No, not at all. I just wanted to come here for the waterfalls, but now we're going to see like the king and queen's relics.
This has got to be up there with the most unsafe.
Oh, yeah. It is chilly. Like you can't even see what's down that road. It's straight white. I wonder what is up there. I think this is one of the pagodas they were talking about. But also, I don't even know what a pagoda is. And also, I'm freezing. Alright, this is definitely a pagoda on second thought. I'm too lazy to take off my shoes, so I can't even go in there. Things are looking up for the boys. We're back to normal temperature.
We made it back from hell.
This is insane though. It's a huge waterfall. Oh my gosh. I can't even put into words, but it's so beautiful. It's huge. Look at this, man. All right, so we've been here for a week. What do you think about Thailand?
Wait, that was... The people are friendly. The country is beautiful. The food is good. You know, as Anthony
Honestly, it's great, you know? I've never been more exhausted than this time we were in Thailand. But it goes to show that we're experiencing it all. Great nightlife and great waterfalls.
Look, we've almost died several times. Mom, don't listen to that.
We have nearly died many times.
But look, man, as Anthony Bourdain once said, see the world or whatever the fuck. Let's go!
Bro, what are we doing right now? It's the siren song.
Feel terrible.
I got no energy left. But it's our final night in Thailand. I can't do it. I'm so tired. Halftime break. I'm so tired still.
Bro, it's dead-ass torture chamber.
Not even close.